Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we have an airbag light on this car guys, and we will explain how we are going to fix that and what causes that. So if you have any of those two codes guys, I'm talking about these codes in the corner there. I think one of them is U3000 4A and the other one is very similar guys code. Stay with us, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it guys. Not very complicated, but you need to know what to do. Quick introduction guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any parts or tools for your car and you want to save even more money guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything for a really good price and incredibly fast shipping as well. So we're working on this Ford Focus guys, okay, right here. This is a 2013 model and we will explain guys what happened here and why we have the airbag light on. But first let's scan it, let's see which codes we get, and we will explain guys, okay, how to take care of that. Not very complicated by the way. What we need to do, we need to connect our OBD scanner to the OBD port. Okay, just find your OBD port, looks like that, and go ahead and put the scanner in. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now I'm going to go inside guys, right here. We're going to go ahead and turn the ignition on. Ignition is on. Now it's going to beep for a while, so let me just close the door quick. Okay, I think it will stop eventually. Yeah, it stopped. And let me show you guys what we'll be doing here now. This is the scanner that we're using. Now, if you're guys on the market for a good scanner, consider this one guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. This is amazing too guys, and it works on pretty much any car, and they constantly add new models and new makes as well. Check out some of the ones that it supports, even Bentley, Audi, Porsche, Lamborghini. We used it on multiple BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Ford vehicles guys, Chevy, and it's amazing too guys. So all we have to do now, okay, you can go ahead and select VIN and it will even auto detect your car, tell you which car you have. For USA it's going to ask for the VIN number confirmation, so that way guys, okay, it can actually, okay, decode it and find out which vehicle we have, what engine, and also guys what equipment it has. So it's establishing communication. It will take a little bit of time. In the corner here you can see that the voltage is 11.5 volts. In our case this is a little bit low now, so I would recommend to keep it above 12 when you're doing car diagnostics always. So it's connecting now. It's going to take just a little bit of time. Now it's reading all the information and which computers this car has. Now you will guys be surprised how many computers, okay, this car has. I mean, you will be shocked guys. A simple Ford Focus and it will have actually quite a bit of modules and computers installed in that thing, and this one is not really fancy or anything like that. So okay, it's establishing communication now. It's almost there. Okay, now we select control unit. Next, check out all the different computers. Here you have engine, computer, transmission, ABS, airbag. This is part of the airbag system too, occupant system. Okay, all that is there guys. So we'll select RCM. This is the restraint module. This is guys where the airbag computer is. So it's establishing communication now. It's reading and it will give us, okay, you will see probably lights flashing, ABS, airbag. It may say like service belt minder. It will give you quite a few, okay, warnings, but that's perfectly fine. This is because it's communicating with the computer actually right now. And we have one code now. Earlier we had two, but right now we have one. And the code that we have right now, it says U3000 4A-Af. The other one that we had was the same, it said U3000 4A. So this one just says control module guys, it doesn't give us much information. So let me go ahead, turn the car off now. Okay, and every time you work on your airbag system guys, I'll recommend to be qualified and certified, because airbags can kill you guys, they can kill other people too if you're not careful. So if you're not qualified and certified, don't do the work guys. Consider this entertaining video and not a how-to video guys. But Every time I work on the airbag system, I disconnect the car battery at least for 1 hour before the repair. Why? Because that way the airbag system will discharge and the possibility for something terribly bad to happen, it's less, but you still have to be careful. There is always a risk. So we'll go ahead and disconnect our car battery and I will explain what we need to fix. So when we got that code, okay, we got this code, guys, when we actually installed new seats in our car. Okay, as you can see, we have leather seats now. We had regular seats before we decided to upgrade, so everything works fine. Airbags, side airbags, everything's fine. Seatbelt buckles, they were, guys, but we get that airbag light on. And now we will explain, guys, if you have that code, why it's triggered and how to fix that. So stay with us. We'll go ahead and remove the seat. Most likely, guys, I would say 8-9 out of 10 times will be because of the passenger seat. So we'll go ahead and remove it and we'll explain why after that. So we'll need to go ahead, guys, and remove the front passenger seat. We need a 7mm in our case, and we need to disconnect our wiring harness. Yours may look different, but procedure will be very close. You will need to disconnect your wiring harness. Sometimes you just disconnect it by hand. You don't even need a tool or anything like that. On this Ford specifically, it's with 7mm socket, and that comes out. Now, those are all the wires. We're going to scoot all the seat all the way to the back. Go ahead and we're going to remove the two bolts on the front. This is, guys, okay, in our case with Torx 50 star looking bit. If you need to buy any tools or parts, check out, guys, the link again in the description of the video below. You can save quite a bit of money. So what we're going to do now, we'll get the small impact. That thing is super handy. Perfect. We'll go ahead and remove it. Now we're going to scoot the seat all the way to the front. Okay, if you have power seats, you will actually need to get the seat loose, then disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and then disconnect the wiring harness last. But we have manual seats. So we have one more bolt. Okay, let me see where this one is located. It's towards the back, guys. Okay, perfect, right there. And we have one on the other side. Check it out, one is out. After that we just have one more, okay, that we're going to try to reach from the other side. Okay, so I can make the video from here. You can see that's where the bolt is, and that's what they look like, guys. Okay, that's the bolt. Sometimes you have rust here, so they may not come loose real easy. Sometimes you may have thread locker that you will need to actually go ahead and apply thread locker when you reinstall it. It depends on your make and model again. This one is out. Now you can see what we're going to do. We'll scoot the seat a little bit, okay, a little bit to the back now. Okay, so we can, okay, let me see, make sure it's like that. Now we will grab it, guys. Okay, have to be careful not to break the scanner. I have the scanner and it's not too cheap. Grab it. Careful not to break any cables. Make sure everything's disconnected. Gently, guys, grab it, pull it out, and okay, the seat is out. So now we'll explain what we need to do next. So with the seat out now, guys, okay, let's scoot it and let me show you what is causing our code now, guys. Okay, we're going to move it a little bit more to the back. Okay, and if you come under the seat, okay, we need to get the other mat. Okay, so I want to show you something. This is, guys, the occupant mat underneath. This is the one that detects how heavy the person is, so the system knows if the person is heavy enough to activate the front airbag. And this is the module, guys, right here. But it's one thing. Like this one, it's full of gel, so you cannot just replace the module without damaging it, so you have to replace the whole thing. And how you guys do that? Okay, you have to have the have to take the seat apart. We have the video on the channel how to replace occupant mat on Ford, so check out the video, guys, and it will give you an idea what needs to be done. This is the replacement one, but why it's causing a problem now? Because the part numbers are not the same. Check out the part number now. Okay, the part number on this one, okay, you can see it says 283-43040. On this one, guys, okay, this one says 283-23-106. So we'll go ahead, replace ours, and see if that will take care of the problem, guys. So we just replaced it, guys. Okay, this is the old one, now we are installing the new one. Check out, guys, the video. It's called replacing occupant sensor on a forward vehicle, guys. We have it on our channel. We'll try to share the link in the description of the video below as well. So we will go ahead, install the seat and see if that takes care of the problem, and those codes will be gone. So we, guys, installed the seat, we connected our car battery. Now we're going to attempt to see what is happening, okay, and see if that will take care of the system now. So I have the ignition key on, okay, I'm going to go ahead, okay, escape here, and I want to see, guys, if I start the car, okay, if the airbag light will be on. And in our case, guys, our airbag light is not on. So that definitely fixes the problem, but stay with us, guys. What we're going to do, if I actually read the codes now, that code will actually still be there. Even though many vehicles, especially Ford, Mazda, guys, Lincoln, I think even Chevy vehicles, they have this, actually they have the self-healing systems, airbag system. What it means that if it detects that everything's working correctly, it will not activate the light. But we will explain, guys, okay, how to clear the codes now. And this is the one that says airbag off, because we're not sitting on the seat. When we sit on the seat, it should change soon to airbag on. Perfect. So the code is still here, guys. We'll go ahead, go back, click erase codes, yes, confirm. Now if I scan the system again, let's read the code and see what we get this time, guys, if we have anything stored in the system. So let's check it out, and it's communicating. I can see lights flashing on the dash. So we're almost there. Hopefully there is no codes and anything like that, guys. We hope so. No fault codes detected, so that definitely took care of our problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, and see you next time.